do this.
Thank you. Holy shit.
M for motorcycle. Look at the lightning. Whoa.
Holy shit.
I gotta make sure I'm recording. 1 sec. No protective cover anyways. Holy crap.
No. We've been here 8 hours too. Yeah, we were actually for parts of it laying on the road.
Wow. Ooh, very smooth. Cable ferry. Very smooth. We are coming in for a landing, hon.
Yeah. His brother luckily lives in Cherryville, and he's borrowed a trailer from their cousin, and they're supposed to be just up the hill, and they're going to load us up because after we started early this morning trying to beat the fire, you know, we were down in Creston. And so we knew it was going to clog this way, so we came up, and we were clearly already too late.
Wow. Holy crap. Okay, off your kickstand?
I'm off my kickstand.
Not a problem. Straight down. How you doing?
I'm good.
Beautifully done, hon. Whew! Am I happy to be here. He'll be right up here somewhere. But Rod said there is a little stretch of dirt.
Yeah, it's coming right now.
Yeah. Whoa. Look at the lineup. That ain't Rod. He's got to be up here somewhere.
Are you filming?
Yes, absolutely.
Because this is like something out of a movie.
Yep.
Well, I'm getting ashes in my eyes.
Oh, I love it. I like to eat the stuff. It is weird though. It's almost like it's snowing a little bit. Whoa.
Holy.
Gentle as she goes. Yoo-hoo!
Back over there.
But thank you. I can't tell you how. We were literally laying on the road for
Hang on,
hours.
I'm going to turn her off. Okay. Fuck, am I glad to see you, man.
Yeah, you bet, man.
Fuck.
Absolutely. Here, take this and put this in the back of the truck, eh?
Okay, we're trying to record the lightning and brimstone that we would have had to ride through if it wasn't for our excellent relatives rescuing our sorry asses after 8 hours of waiting for the... Oh, okay, I'm scared. Oh!
Okay, I'm getting a little...
Okay, double shit. I think, you know what? I think I might have some good footage there. Let's just stop at that though, because it seems to be making things